guys, what's up? The Bus Channel here, and today we're going to be unboxing some photos. So yeah, let's get into it. Well, I think they're photos anyways. And yes, it is a photo of an OPTARE solo, as you can see, WILTS and DORSET. I have to put the number plate in the text below. Just check if anything else is in there. No, nothing at all. So yeah, just one today guys, and I'll just get the thumbnail. There we go. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and peace out. Also guys, just to mention, here's the front of the photo and the back of the photo. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and peace out.